Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. We are here in lovely Nottingham to try something a bit different in the UK right now, which is Jollibee's fried chicken. They've been doing it for ages guys in other countries, 1,700 stores, but only about 5 in the UK. This one behind me opened 2 weeks ago and we're going to go and try it out now, and Jordan is going to tell you, is it as good as KFC?
Hope so.
Let's go and find out guys, but before we do, I'd love it if you hit the like button down below and the subscribe as well. Let's do this.
In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted someone.
Oh baby.
Hello.
Jollibee style.
Yes. Chicken Joe, yeah?
I want the little fillets. Asian ginger chili sauce. Wow, look at that.
You don't want to...
No. Try the Asian style.
This one. 3 piece Chicken Joe meal.
Yes. Do you like the music?
Yeah.
Plain rice. Who wants that?
So you don't want a yum burger or anything?
No, just try the chicken. Chicken joy.
Order 27.
So guys, here we have it. Oh, look at that chicken in there.
Chicken Joe.
Chicken joy, that's it. They missed out the gravy.
Oh, smell that.
So this is basically an Asian style KFC chicken restaurant. The chicken looks amazing. I had a little sneak peek when he was over there. That is.
Oh, it's crispy
Oh
as well.
my god. Here we go. I got to have a little bash on this gravy.
That's right nice.
Oh! Oh! There's a really interesting mix of flavours in there. Oh, wow. It's crunching.
It's quite spicy. That is right nice.
You like it?
Got quite a kick to that as.
It's got quite a kick to it, that has, love.
Oh my gosh.
Is it spicy?
Yeah.
Are you putting all the spicy on?
Try it.
Oh, spicy. Oh, it is a little bit.
It builds up.
You've ordered the spicy one. They've given you the wrong one.
Oh, it is this spicy.
Oh my god. You're gonna have to take it back.
Can you do it for me? I've already been up.
Yeah. So we've now got a normal piece of chicken. You can tell in the colour difference, look.
Yeah.
That's a lot redder. But honestly, that spicy chicken, guys, is pretty crazy. Even for me, I actually like spicy things, and I was like, I took one bite of that and I was like, oh my god. It's like a really spicy curry. But they must have marinated the chicken in the spice, because it goes through the whole chicken. It's not just on the battery. Battery? I don't know how you say it. Batter. So you're happy now? Yeah. There's your drink, by the way.
Thank you.
I stole some of it.
Alright.
Just going for the crunch.
Oh no, that's boiling up.
This is the worst.
That's just come out.
The worst review of it.
I just burnt my tongue. This is getting. You're sweating.
Right, attempt 2. Yay!
Did you hear the crunch?
Yeah.
Right nice.
He's a happy Jordan. Ah! That's way better than the spicy one. The spicy one's just too much.
10 out of 10.
Or when you got the right one.
Yeah.
Well, but how would you rate the spicy one?
If I like spicy food, 10 out of 10.
If you didn't like spicy food?
Not for you.
So I am trying the Asian ginger dip, which sounds very exciting. It looks a bit like chili jam with the chicken tenders. My favourite thing is chicken tenders actually.
Yeah.
With this beautiful sauce. So let's give it a try guys, see what it's like. Wow. Really good. Not as crunchy as the KFC ones. This little ginger soy dip. Soy, not soy. Asian ginger dip. It's nice, it's quite spicy. It's got a kick to it. Still dying from that chicken. So spicy. I really like these. These are Jollibee.
I'm enjoying this chicken, Joy.
How is it compared to KFC, would you say?
I still prefer KFC.
Yeah? I prefer the KFC chicken tenders. But if I walk past this place, I would come in.
Oh yeah. It's crispier than KFC.
Yeah. And it's spicier than KFC.
Yeah.
For sure.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Apart from us getting the wrong food and ordering, no, it's your fault actually. No, I'm not joking, it's my fault. It was actually really nice now that I got proper chicken. You guys have to come and check this out. Quite nice. Hopefully you have a better experience. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow down below. See you guys next week.
Bye.